Meaning of disk.
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 Disk. The term disk has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In computing, a disk refers to a storage device that uses laser technology to read and write data, such as a CD or DVD. In sports, disk usually refers to a circular object used in activities like frisbee and ultimate. In anatomy, the intervertebral discs refer to the cushion-like structures between vertebrae that act as shock absorbers. Overall, the meaning of disk varies depending on the field it is used in.